Our modern world is a whirlwind of activity. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are constantly on the move, juggling multiple responsibilities and trying to keep up with the fast pace of life. We are constantly bombarded with information, deadlines, and expectations. The digital age has brought with it an overload of stimuli, making it difficult to find a moment of peace. It's no wonder that our bodies and minds are feeling the strain. The relentless pressure to perform and succeed can lead to chronic stress, fatigue, and burnout. And one of the most concerning casualties of this modern lifestyle is our sexual vitality. The intimate connection that once came naturally now feels like a distant memory for many. Gone are the days when intimacy was a natural and effortless expression of love and connection. The pressures of daily life have taken a toll on our relationships, leaving us feeling disconnected and unfulfilled. Today, many couples find themselves grappling with a disheartening reality, a decline in their sexual desire and performance. This can lead to feelings of frustration, inadequacy, and even resentment. This isn't just a personal issue, it's a widespread epidemic affecting millions worldwide. The impact on mental health and overall well-being is profound, as individuals struggle to cope with this silent crisis. But here's the good news, there's hope. Despite the challenges, there are ways to reclaim our sexual vitality and restore the joy and connection in our relationships. Nature, in its infinite wisdom, has bestowed upon us powerful herbs that can help reignite the flame of passion and restore our vitality. These natural remedies have been used for centuries to enhance sexual health and well-being. Join me as we delve into the world of Ayurveda and uncover the secrets of two remarkable herbs, Shilajit+Safed Musli. These ancient treasures hold the key to revitalizing our bodies and rekindling the spark in our relationships. It's no secret that the pharmaceutical industry has capitalized on this growing concern, offering a plethora of medications promising to boost libido and enhance performance. But are these medications truly addressing the root cause of the problem? While these drugs may provide temporary relief, they often come with a laundry list of potential side effects. From headaches and nausea to more serious cardiovascular complications, the risks associated with these medications can outweigh their purported benefits. Furthermore, relying solely on pharmaceuticals creates a dependency that doesn't address the underlying factors contributing to declining sexual health. It's like putting a band-aid on a bullet wound. It might mask the symptoms temporarily, but it doesn't heal the underlying injury. For centuries, Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, has recognized the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and sexual health. And at the heart of Ayurveda's approach to sexual vitality lies a remarkable substance, Shilajit. Shilajit, often referred to as the destroyer of weakness, is a sticky, tar-like substance found in the rocks of the Himalayas. Formed over centuries from the decomposition of plant matter, Shilajit is a treasure trove of over 85 essential minerals and trace elements. In the annals of Ayurvedic medicine, Shilajit holds a revered place as a potent adaptogen and rejuvenator. Ancient texts extol its virtues in enhancing energy, stamina, and vitality, making it a prized possession for warriors and seekers of longevity alike. Modern science is finally catching up with ancient wisdom, as researchers around the globe are beginning to unravel the mysteries behind Shilajit's remarkable properties. Studies have shown that Shilajit can increase the production of ATP, the energy currency of our cells, thereby boosting our physical and mental stamina. Moreover, Shilajit has been found to naturally increase testosterone levels in men. Testosterone, often dubbed the male hormone, plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and libido. But the benefits of Shilajit extend far beyond the bedroom. Its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable ally in combating oxidative stress, boosting immunity, and promoting overall well-being. While Shilajit lays the foundation for robust health and vitality, another Ayurvedic gem, Safed Musli, steps in to specifically address sexual desire and performance. This unassuming plant native to India has been used for centuries as a natural aphrodisiac. Safed Musli's claim to fame lies in its ability to increase libido and enhance sexual pleasure in both men and women. Its active compounds work by stimulating the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow to the sexual organs. But Safed Musli's benefits aren't limited to the bedroom either. It's also been traditionally used to alleviate stress, anxiety, and fatigue, further contributing to a healthy and fulfilling sex life. In the realm of natural remedies, the sum is often greater than its parts. This rings especially true for Shilajit and Safed Musli. When combined, these two Ayurvedic powerhouses create a synergy that magnifies their individual benefits. Shilajit, with its rich mineral content, enhances the absorption and efficacy of Safed Musli's active compounds. This means that you experience the full potential of both herbs, leading to more pronounced and long-lasting results. This dynamic duo works in perfect harmony to address the multifaceted nature of sexual health. Shilajit lays the groundwork by boosting energy, stamina, and testosterone levels, while Safed Musli ignites the flame of desire and enhances sexual pleasure. The true testament to the efficacy of any remedy lies in the experiences of those who have used it. And when it comes to Shilajit and Safed Musli, the anecdotal evidence is overwhelmingly positive. Countless individuals have reported experiencing a resurgence of their sexual vitality after incorporating these herbs into their routines. Men have shared stories of increased libido, improved erectile function, and enhanced stamina, while women have raved about heightened sensitivity, increased lubrication, and more intense orgasms. These real-life transformations are a testament to the power of nature's pharmacy and the wisdom of Ayurveda in harnessing the healing potential of plants. With the increasing popularity of Shilajit and Safed Musli, it's crucial to source these herbs from reputable suppliers who prioritize purity and sustainability. These natural supplements have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but modern consumers need to be aware of the quality and authenticity of the products they are purchasing. Look for Shilajit that's been purified to remove any potential contaminants. The purification process is essential to ensure that the Shilajit you consume is free from heavy metals and other harmful substances, and Safed Musli that's been organically cultivated. Organic cultivation ensures that the herb is grown without the use of synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, which can compromise its natural benefits. When it comes to dosage, it's always best to start low and gradually increase until you find what works best for your body. Everyone's body reacts differently to supplements, so it's important to listen to your body's signals and adjust accordingly. It's also advisable to consult with an Ayurvedic practitioner or healthcare professional to determine the optimal dosage and usage for your individual needs. They can provide personalized guidance based on your health condition and goals. Shilajit and Safed Musli are generally considered safe for consumption, and many people have reported positive effects on their health and well-being. But it's always a good idea to start with a small dose to assess your tolerance. This cautious approach helps you avoid any adverse reactions and allows you to gradually build up to the recommended dosage, and rule out any potential allergies or interactions with other medications. Always read the instructions and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or pre-existing conditions. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of a balanced and holistic approach to health, but true well-being goes beyond just physical fitness or mental clarity. It encompasses a harmonious balance of mind, body, and spirit. While Shilajit and Safed Musli are renowned for their ability to reignite the flame of passion, their benefits extend far beyond the realm of sexual health. These powerful Ayurvedic herbs have been used for centuries to enhance overall vitality and well-being. Their benefits extend far beyond the realm of sexual health. They are known to boost energy levels, improve cognitive function, and support the immune system, making them invaluable allies in the pursuit of holistic health. These Ayurvedic treasures offer a holistic approach to well-being, addressing both the physical and mental aspects of vitality. By integrating these herbs into your daily routine, you can experience a profound transformation in your overall health. Addressing both the physical and mental aspects of vitality, they help in reducing stress, enhancing mood, and promoting a sense of inner peace. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and yoga can further amplify these benefits. By incorporating Shilajit and Safed Musli into a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques, you can unlock your body's full potential. Imagine starting your day with a nutrient-rich meal, followed by a refreshing jog in the park, and ending it with some calming stress relief exercises. You can unlock your body's full potential and experience a level of vitality you never thought possible. Whether it's hiking up a mountain, watching the sunrise with renewed energy, or achieving a long-sought fitness goal, the possibilities are endless. So embrace the wisdom of Ayurveda and embark on a journey of rediscovering your vitality. Consult with an Ayurvedic practitioner, read up on the ancient texts, and start incorporating these powerful herbs into your daily regimen. With Shilajit+Safed Musli as your allies, you have the tools to transform your life. These herbs can be the cornerstone of a new, healthier you. You can reignite the passion in your life and experience the joy of true well-being. Imagine a life filled with energy, joy, and a deep sense of fulfillment. Embrace holistic well-being and let it transform every aspect of your life.